So yeah, it's definitely been very exciting. I think I would say inspirational, honestly. With all the people that I've met here, it's honestly like it's changed my path for where I'm going to be going next, and it's really helped me to define what
It's definitely a challenge worth taking on. You can learn a lot during the process, and it's not as intimidating as it might seem.
Challenging as well as convenient, because for me, I am from University of Delhi, so they had given me the opportunity to work from my original university itself, and to come once in a week here for having a face-to-face.
Again, people, the experiences, being here, it's valuable to me now, and it will be through my uni career and my actual working career. So yeah, I'd go with valuable.
I'd say be open to like new ideas and like even criticisms, just because you're never gonna be the most knowledgeable person in the room. So there's always gonna be someone better and someone who you can learn from. I think that's my advice.
I'd say by the looks of it, all of them are very unique, and yeah, but it's well supported. You get a lot of knowledge from, there's some very good people here. So yeah, you learn a lot. I like it.